Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reset your TCL Tab 8 Plus. As you see right here, we have a passcode, so I'm going to show you how to reset it back to the factory settings and wipe everything off. You will need to turn it off first, press and hold the power button, then go ahead and power off the device. The two buttons you would need to perform the reset are the power and the volume down key. First, you want to hold the volume down, press and hold, then press the power key to turn on the device. Once the device is on, keep holding until you get to the recovery screen. It will take a couple seconds to get to that. Once you get to this right here, you want to use the volume down key to navigate. You want to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, press the power key to confirm, scroll down to the second option, then press the power key again. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. Everything is wiped and deleted off this tablet. This is it guys, this is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.